I wanted to give an update on the beehive, just to look inside and see how they're doing. They're just crawling all over each other. There's so many. I doubt any more have been born since this is 1 week after installation. What? Yeah, it's 1 week exactly. One thing I want to consult an expert about is when I've got my hive open like this, how do I ensure that I don't let the queen, will the queen just fly away, folks? Let me get another camera. Queen cage is empty. All the candy has been eaten. The candy is actually, it looks very sugary. It's like a very sugary candy. But look at that massive bees. There's a big old hunk of bees. Not much going on in this bar. Come on, bees, get off. I mean, excuse me, ladies. Dada needs to get something. He just wants to see if you're in here.
It's all right. Why are you...
See the queen there? Oh, and there's honey in it too. Do you want to see if you can get this in focus?
There you go. That's in focus. That's beautiful.
Do you see the queen? She's right there. Is she in frame?
Hi. Yeah, they're all in frame. Beautiful. And you're okay, buddy. You're okay. Look at all those keys. Isn't that cool? They made that.
There is also an example of just how much they're starting to fill these cells with honey. Oh, this is just unbelievable, unreal. How quickly, in 1 week, they've done far more work than I have for TLC's Sex Sent Me to the ER. This is an interesting bar here because it's running into their feeder. I really need to build an excluder bar. I don't know how the hive will progress from that point. You know, with a big mason jar in the midst of it. Holy mackerel! All right, I'm just gonna stop here and close up. There's just this enormous amount of bees on the back side around this feeder. So many bees. And they're so well tempered, ladies. I really have to give you props for being so nice to me. Just like so absolutely temperamental and wait, that means good tempered, right? It's just so well tempered and calm and patient. I don't have gloves or a veil or smoke or any of that. Whoever kept you and this genetic line going, thank you very much. I see such a great variation in the color of these bees. Some are very dark, others are quite blonde. It's kind of interesting. I bet it's probably just because of whatever like shaked swarm nuke they put together for sale as a package, but it's interesting that there's so many different colors. Come on, buddies. Come on, Don. Hop into your spots. Bees, you are so cool. Whoa. Big ass drone buzzing me. Put the GoPro down in here and give a look at the inside. Hope you can see. GoPro's not real tolerant of low light. Alrighty, hive's all closed up. Everyone's looking great. Just building comb around the feeder, which isn't so great. So I'll get around to building an excluder for so they keep them out of that portion of the hive. I don't know how, but they do.